I am here in Panjal in Thrissur district of Kerala exhibiting India. The whole curatorial idea is about conservation and representation. With me is Guruji
Krishna
Nambud,
Nambudiri.
Krishna Nambudri in the Panjal village. It has many houses of the Nambudri Brahmins, but what is most important is these are specialist Vedic ritual performers of extremely scientific, age old, ancient Hindu idea of Vedic fire rituals or yajna. There are two main yagyas, and they have a lot of knowledge on one of the on one of the Veda specialists, which is the Samaveda specialist,
Yeah.
and they follow out of the three tradition the Geminiya tradition of Samaveda in
Gemini,
Kerala. The altars are done in the shape of a Garuda or an eagle. Why? Because the eagle is the symbol of power and of focus. So there are three kinds of altars. One which is baby, and one which is middle age,
yeah.
yuva, and one which is old. And these altars have other fire squares. So for 12 days, but what is most important is that the building of the Yagyashala, according to a Japanese Indologist, is the parent of the idea of algorithms. And the priest or the Yajman, he, according to his height,
This type.
according to his height like this, all the measurements of the ritual spoons, the bricks, the height, the measurement of the bricks. The bricks are made by the potter community who are of low caste.
Kumbharas.
Kubaras.
Yeah.
And when the yagya, there are 5 layers to it. For the first 8 days, the chittis or the Garuda is coming. Please come here. This is a remnant. And each one of them is specific. So you have this.
ഇതിന്റെ മുകളിലേക്ക്
Yeah. So this is the square. This is the triangle. And that is the half triangle.
Yeah.
All of them are measured through ropes and laid down, and 16 assistant to the main priest or the ritual performer,
Yeah.
the Yajman,
Yajamana and Patni.
and his wife. The wife too has an important role. For instance, Guruji told me that in one of the rituals, the direction is facing east. Facing east. But in one ritual, the ritual performing group goes and carries the holy fire, which is in the chitti or the Garuda shape of the brick, and moves from west to east. And the woman also chants. The participation of men and women is bringing the srishti or the nature of opposites together, and all the holistic understanding of nature. And everything is perfectly measured, and it is just so beautiful. They have 2 kind of rituals. The Agni, which is the first yagya.
Agnishtoma Somayaga.
Agnishtoma Somayagya.
Somayagya.
And only when you do that, then you can perform what is known as Athir Ratnam. While I complete this one little excerpt for you, we will be following it with pictures of his documents, giving you a glimpse of the ritual way the 5 layers are built and how it is conducted in terms of the ritual instruments. With me, Navina Jaffa and Guruji Krishnan from Panjal. And before we leave, I want to show you his house. Please come. And we take a walk. I saw about 15 to 20 birds, beautiful birds, from kingfishers to bulbuls to swallows right here. This part of the house, if you come into the center, if you come to the center and you come behind, this one is with 6 wings. This is supposed to be the oldest. Then comes the baby. These are the 3 forms of the chittis or the Garuda, the auspicious eagle made of bricks. And that is the 3rd one, which is right there. And so it is, all these 3 are very important chittis.
That is the Panchapatri and this is the Peethak.
Peethak is the central one is the baby Peethak. The
And that,
Panchapatri, that is the 5
Five,
wings,
fingers,
5 wings, 5 finger.
Yeah.
And this is for 6.
Shatpatri.
Shatpatri. So this amazing heritage of the Vedas in Kerala. With me, Navina Jaffa, and watch the slides.
प्रातर्भगं पूषणं ब्रह्मणस्पतिं प्रातः सोममुदरुद्रं हुवेमा